Hi, my name is Jess, and I'm the CEO and one of the co-founders of Stockpress. And my background is in design and web development. For 12 years, I ran a design and development team with my Stockpress co-founders, where we built custom websites and software from small business startups to large enterprise organizations. So Stockpress is a digital asset management system, and what we're trying to solve is giving mid-market companies the ability to have digital asset management features combined with the file management features that they're used to. So for example, a Dropbox box or a Google Drive on steroids. So one of the problems we were trying to solve was that a lot of people use a lot of different platforms. And when we were running our agency, we were having consistent issues with sharing files with our clients, receiving files from our clients, and they were always on different platforms. So we actually built Stockpress because we started customizing an open source digital asset management system for ESPN. And one of the things that we realized was it was kind of confusing, and we felt like we needed to have a PhD in digital asset management in order to understand how to use it. And it didn't have a traditional folder structure. It didn't have any kind of ease of use features. And so we really pitched them to build Stockpress for them. It wasn't Stockpress at the time. It was just, let's build you a new tool. And we ended up doing it for ourselves. And we started using Stockpress with our customers. And the first thing they started asking was, what is this? Can we use it? And so we started selling Stockpress for $50, $100 here and there to our agency customers, and realized that there was this gap between traditional file management systems and DAM systems. DAM platforms are great, but they're very expensive, and they're really geared toward enterprise organizations. And we felt like there was something missing for that mid-market customer that wanted something a little bit more robust than just a folder structure, AI tagging, categorizing, custom permissions for their users, and an unlimited user model. So we don't charge based on user licenses. We allow everyone to put everyone on their workspace, which really helps with our product-led growth motion as well. I think our overarching vision is that we really want to make digital asset management accessible. I would be willing to bet most of you don't even know what digital asset management is, and that goes for the rest of the world. It's really an enterprise tool, but it's incredibly useful. And I think one of the things that we found over the years is that when we show people in an easy way how they can benefit from some of these keywording and tagging features and permissioning features, it makes their work life a lot easier. I mean, imagine being able to type a word into a search box and find all the files you need without needing to know what they were named, what folder they live in, things like that. And we're trying to make that easy and accessible to everyone. I think we chose each other, really, because it was definitely a mutual thing. I think from the first time I spoke to the team at York, I really felt like they understood the problem we were trying to solve. And I felt so comfortable kind of speaking to them about the issues we were having, what we were trying to do, and what we needed help with. And I just felt like they got it right away. We tend to, well, I should say the team tends to gravitate towards kind of operator-led VCs and investors. And I just felt like all of them completely understood, the things that we'd be coming up against, and could help us in the future. I also love that they have kind of a services team as well. So there's definitely support there for us when we need it for different areas of the business.